freaking bats. I love Halloween.
There was a dog, and I was trying to film it because it was cute.
It was so cute.
It was a Cocker Spaniel, my favorite. But then
I thought that was the lady because she was running up and she looked like the type.
But that's what I was thinking, but I was hoping not. I was like, I'll get the footage. Content comes first. And then so, like, I'm pulling out my phone, and she walks over to the door of the car, and she's like, oh, buddy, stop barking. And I think she was like, I think she thought I was concerned for the dog because it was in the car, which made me feel bad because the dog was fine. She was right there, and all the windows were down. And the dog was obviously not in distress. It was whatever. But she thought I was acting that way, which made me feel bad because I just wanted footage for y'all, our viewers.
She was probably like, wow, what the f*** are they doing? I'm not doing
Near my
anything
car.
wrong.
Like, why are you coming for me?
Why are they attacking me?
I wasn't trying to drag her. I was just trying to get her dog on the vlog. But yeah, anyways, we're on our way to TJ Maxx to drop off Alana's application.
And get you one.
And get me one. Hey, even though I have no references or previous experience. Definitely gonna get it if I do say so myself.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
definitely.
Yeah. I'm better than all candidates. I'm the best candidate. Best fit. Better than you.
Alright.
I gotta go. Be safe. Don't vlog and drive.
Talk louder.
Alright. We bought balloons for our Georgie costume, but apparently at Dollar Tree they don't blow these up with helium because they burst too easily. So there's that. And so, and we're planning on getting string whenever they got blown up. But now we have to buy string. Hey guys, you know, Georgie's back at Sam's house. We're waiting on the party.
I'm Pennywise.
For sure.
I haven't even seen the movie, but I know he does that. So.
Hey, but y'all, okay, so I drove here because Elena came with me and we had to go get these stupid balloons that don't have helium in them. Whole nother story.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Storyteller.
Hey, you'll float too! So, I just got here. I got here at like 6:15, and my dad texts me and he goes, when will you be home? Or are you spending the night? I was like, oh no, I'm not spending the night, like I'll be back.
Oh no.
And he was like, okay, what time will you be back?
Spend the night on weekdays?
Apparently, that's a new thing. Honestly, I didn't think I could. Wait, we can't even have sleepovers. But anyways, I go, what time do I have to be home? And he says, what time does your license say? And I was like, oh, my license is restricted. And I completely forgot. For a few months there, I thought it was unrestricted, even though I was 15 at the time. That's another story. I'm no storyteller.
I piss gold.
Whatever. There's a controversy. Hershey. But, so I look, and daylight savings time is about to end, like next weekend. And on my,
This coming weekend.
yeah, this coming weekend. And on my license, it says 6 to 6, but 6 to 8 on daylight savings time. So I was like, oh my god, it's literally 6:18. Like, if I had to be home 18 minutes ago, and my dad would force me to go home from this Halloween party, I'd be pissed. And then, I don't even know what I would do. And then he was like, make sure. And then I was reading it, and I asked Siri, what time does sunset? And she said 6:30, and I was like, and then,
Ew.
and then I was freaking out, and I was like, what do I tell him? And then I looked up when is daylight savings time, and it said that it ended this weekend. And I was like, hey, that means 8 o'clock. Literally. Wow. Representative of us, honestly. But anyways, so I'm here legally. Illegal immigrant pun.
I didn't put that part in my last vlog of you on the beach. I don't know how I missed that. I'm taking a nap right here. And I missed it. I don't know how.
Wake me up!
Acting. Wow.
It was so funny.
Just kidding. We're black. We're black.
We're definitely black.
Just kidding. We're back on that Halloween grind. Just kidding. We're back on that Halloween grind.
And then she dropped.
Hickety heck. My balloon just popped. No floating tonight.
Oh, that's our friends, I think.
What is she saying?
Push me out the way.
No one can hear her.
She's like putting so much emotion.
Yeah.
She's a banana. Be careful with these crazy drivers. Kids were running across.
Yeah, that's the scary part about Halloween. Oh, sorry.
Thanks, Billy.
Billy's gonna be so mad at me. He wants his boat back. How is that?
Hiya, Georgie.
Okay, it popped again.
I'm still going strong.
I hate myself.
Stop
I even
putting it in the
I
grass.
blew it up less than yours. I thought it'd be fine. Who is she? Excuse me, sir. Sir, I'm a huge fan. I've seen all your movies. You look great tonight. Drag us.
Oh, no, it's just this thing I do to remember people's names. Natalie. So.
We're focused on the cat.
Sorry, the cat.
Hey guys, it's Heather by myself. So it's Halloween and I have nothing to do and I didn't get invited to anything except one thing, but then it got like switched around and then Sam and Lacey and Elena are out doing such things and they didn't even tell me about it till literally 8th period, so bleep that out. So thanks guys.
Happy Halloween. Weed.
Wow, queen. I haven't seen you in decades. Millennium eras almost. You should totally.
You're in the vlog now.
You better watch it. We need views.
Clout sock monkey.
Mad.
Remember last year when we saw that Confederate flag and then we didn't go to their house? We really showed them. We still protest.
We're not going to the chainsaw.
Sorry guys, can't get content.
I just need it for my I want to go!
Wow, Sam explaining to her mom, I just need it for my vlog. Mom, please.
I want to be scared to death just for my vlog.
Mom, I need views. I only have 11 subscribers.
I didn't think y'all wanted to. Morgan definitely does not want to.
Oh, ah.
Sorry, I wasn't coming for you. I just got stared. This is Lacey Cologne. Halloween evening. There has been allegations of a chainsaw massacre. Oh, okay.
Where Georgie?
Oh my gosh! Pennywise!
Let's
Pennywise!
Okay! Yeah! Let's scary her. Let it float. Let it float. He's gonna be mad. Oh my god. I just want to take refuge.
Y'all.
I'm taking everyone's candy they don't want because I didn't get any.
Hey. We ballin'. You already know.
Oh, Max, you want to do me a
Pretend
favor
like
now?
you're lit.
Can you go get my charger from downstairs on the anyway table?
Oh, yeah.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Gucci Mane, Gucci Mane, Gucci Mane, Gucci Mane.
I wonder what's in this bag. Someone really packed this.
Are you having fun, Morgan?
Right? Oh, Jesus.
Well, you having fun, Addie? Is she just gonna sleep with my balloon? Alright, Mom, I have to do my vlog footage. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and comment.